Hello everybody, my name is D. Welcome to Keyword Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make Hinge animation with CSS and HTML. But if it's your first time right here, please click on subscribe and bell icon to get notification of the new video. So first of all, let me show you how Hinge works. So you can I have my browser here and I have this project right here. Let me open it. Hinge works like this. So we're gonna make something like this. So let's get started by this. So this is the few codes that I wrote, and so what we need here is to add div class box, then we close, then we say Hinge animation, then after you save, that's all for HTML. So next thing we're gonna do is to create the front end of this Hinge. So we're gonna create it, but first of all, this is the link of this CSS, but now we don't have anything, so we're gonna add some CSS codes and it's gonna be helpful. So let's get started. Let's start with the body. Open braces and say margin margin 0, padding 0, font family is good. Open sans and sans. Open sans. Here we have to conditions. It's gonna be like this. Yeah. Sans leave. Then display is gonna be flex. Tells the height of the 800, and we're gonna put around item. So maybe let's put in the center. Let's put in the center so that it can be the same thing. Then after putting the center, so we're gonna justify our content and center. So that's all for the body. So the next thing is, here we have a class called box. So we're gonna make something for it. So start with dot box, then you open the braces and you start with the background color of that box. Yeah, I want to make something, and we can make something different. So let's put this one. I think this one is good. Color blue, maybe this one. Okay, then after color, let's put white. I think it's gonna fit there, left like this. Then after it, add padding. Padding is gonna be 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Font size is gonna be maybe 90 pixel. The second is font weight. Font weight is gonna be 900. Yeah, 900. Then let's put transformation of the origin top to the left, or we can put top to the right, but let's put top to the left. Transformation, origin, top to the left, top, left. Then the next thing is animation. So we're gonna put the Hinge second it's gonna take to be down like this, when you load the page, 2 seconds and go down. Yeah, that's what I'm making right now. So Hinge 2 sec and erase out. And for the boxes, that's all. And the next things, we're going to keyframe of the Hinge, and oops, for the Hinge. Then open like this. You say 20% to 60%. Then you open brushes. Then you say transformation, transform, rotate, go to 70 degree, then like this, and after this, I think we're missing something here. Camera, yeah. Then you close, and down here, after closing your first, right here, after closing your first braces, so we're gonna add 40%. Remember this camera, and 2% and 90%. For the keyframe, 3%, then you open like we are inside that. We didn't close the keyframe, so make sure you are still in your keyframe right here. Then after we're gonna add to transformation, maybe I can copy and paste, save time, like this. Then I can change to 55 degree. Then the next thing is we're gonna add the opacity right here, down here, opacity. Maybe deleted it, put 1. Yeah, and that's all. And the next things we're gonna add is, make sure you're still inside the keyframes, 100%. Open right here and transform like this, and let's put translate like this. Then you put 600 like this. Then opacity is gonna be 0. Okay, then we close. And for the CSS, I think that's all. So we save our project. Then so we're gonna load again and see if there is anything or error. So let me open it and see what's gonna happen. You see, now it's working. Now everything's working. So okay, now everything's working as we did. And maybe we can make some change right here. I don't know, maybe to see if it can be great. And something, maybe you can put black like this, maybe, I guess, too. Like this break, then we save, and let's see. Yeah, now I think it looks good, like this. Yeah. So the other thing, I think you can put it in capital letter. Yeah, now the Hinge is good and it looks good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and it's gonna be help you, and I'm gonna keep showing you guys the new things, and especially in these days I'm gonna show you many things about HTML and CSS and those animations that can help you. And thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and thank you very much.